So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this extremely simple woodwork project, which is a name tag or a marker. The initial design of this tag that I've got is fairly simple. I'm going to take a piece of fairly thin wood. You can make it thicker, it's personal choice, obviously. From the edge, I'm going to measure about 15 centimeters, which is about, how much is this? It's about 6 inches, more or less, about 15 centimeters. I'm going to add on the, or not add, I'm going to divide it into 2/3, 10 centimeters there, and 5 centimeters here, which is about 2 inches and 4 inches. Going to draw some lines like so. On this side, only make 2 marks. And then the center of the top block over there, simply going to make a little triangle to make it look basically like a tag that you would find on a product in a shopping center, or name tag, whichever the case may be. And then obviously make a hole there. Now next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this out and round it over a bit to make that look the way it should be, and then we should be able to take it from there. So after we've cut it, it basically looks like this. I've drilled a hole in there as well, sanded it over a bit, make it a bit smoother. It's a bit of a rough finish. You can obviously paint this any kind of you like. You can even use some blackboard marker paint basically to paint on this, so you can write on it with like a piece of chalk or whatever and just wipe it off, whatever your case may be. Now in the top part over there, I'm going to take a piece of string, obviously whichever type you like. I'm going to make this a double one for this purpose, put it through there, and then make a little knot on top. Once again, you can do this with any type of string. You can do it without a string if you want to. You can just make a hole in it, make the hole big enough for whatever you plan to put this onto. That would be fine as well. Well, I'm struggling to make a knot today, but anyway, just make a proper one there. There we go. A nice little knot like that. And then you can obviously write a name or whatever on here, or you can paint a name or a whatever. You can use this as a tag for whatever. It's a nice little gift. You can use it as a gift tag. You can use it for your children on their bedroom doors. If you've got a little compartment where they store, say, their school suitcases or school luggage or whatever the case may be, you can mark individual children's places with these, whether it be for their toys or whatever it may be. A nice little idea, an extremely simple DIY project from your scrap wood, and just about anybody can make this. So let's see how it looks if I use this. Here's a nice example for a bedroom door, which you can put it on door handle should there not be a key in, like so. Should you perhaps want to hang it on the key itself, wherever you've got a space or whatever you want to hang it. A nice little tag to mark a room or a compartment, whichever it is. Very nice idea. I only wrote my name with a pencil there, but obviously you can, like I said, you can paint this, you can stain it, whichever suits your purpose or your preference. So if you do like this nice and simple idea, be sure to like this video and also consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't done so yet. Until next time, thank you very much, guys.